This is the myth busting assignment number 2 for group 4. We chose myth 16.
So what is the myth? The myth that we chose, as Megan said, number 16, is if you're unsure of your answer when taking a test, it's best to stick with your initial hunch. This is widespread due to advice from authority figures, word of mouth, memory bias, and emotional impact. Some evidence as to why this is a myth rather than fact is because the research consistently shows the opposite pattern, which students are actually their grades are going down rather than up as they go with their gut. Score improvement by changing their answers has increased their grade, and higher performing students change their answers more.
So, what is the scientific consensus about this myth? Is researchers determine the opposite is true. Students who change their answers on a test are more likely to change from a right answer to a wrong answer. This is because of the availability heuristic, which is when students overestimate the risk of committing errors when changing answers. So they're more likely to change their answer from a right answer to a wrong answer than a wrong answer to a right answer. So what is the impact of this myth? This myth encourages students to change their answers even when they may not be confident in these changes. This may make them perform worse on tests or exams or quizzes, and they should only change answers when they're truly confident that their initial answer was wrong, or when they read the question wrong and misunderstood the question. And then at the end of the test, the students are more likely to remember their wrong answers over the right answers when they change the answers. And the key takeaway of this myth is that you should go with your head, not your gut.
So for real life connections, as students, we are told by teachers and professors to go with our gut feeling, which we do tend to apply to the assessments we take.
And this will hopefully not be us taking the psychology exam on Friday. Guessing on our answers.
Thank you, and we hope you like our homemade memes.